Welcome to this class of mathematics. Today we shall discuss some heights and distance of various subjects by observing the angles without actually measuring the uh, sides. This chapter is of some great importance from the examination point of view also, and uh, by the knowledge of trigonometry, angle ratios, we can deduce many amazing results. Uh, uh, we we can get uh, surprising results, uh, such as the height of a peak, and the height of uh, a tall tower, a tall building, length of the bridge over the river, uh, to be projected, and so on. Uh, Even with the little knowledge of, even some small knowledge of these ratios, uh, uh, we we can we can get many wonderful results. Let us see an example. A 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building, and our task is to find the distance he traveled towards the building when the angle changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. First of all, we have to understand the problem clearly, so that uh, we reach to the goal uh, without any obstacle. And in this regard, we have to translate the problem into our uh, original language or a mother tongue, and draw a sketch of this problem on uh, our paper. A 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance. The height of the building is 30 meters. The angle of elevation. In trigonometry, the angle of elevation, there are two types of angles we observe: angle of elevation and angle of depression. When we are observing an angle from the ground level, or when we are observing an angle upward, simply it is called angle of elevation. And when we are observing an angle from upward to downward, that is called the angle of depression. From his eye to the top of the building increases, ये increase होता है 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. तो यहाँ पे हम एक बिल्डिंग के लिए लाइन लेते हैं. The height of the building is 30 meter. This is our building. Let this be the boy, and he is 1.5 meter tall, and he observe, at first time he observed the angle of 30 degree, and this angle of observation will not be from the ground, but as he is walking and he observed the angle from this point. This is the observation point. Let join this line to the building, and the angle of elevation from this point is above this horizontal line. Also, if we observe the angle from this normal horizontal line, then the angle is called angle of elevation. And if we are observing angle that falls below this normal line, that angle will called angle of depression, and this is angle of elevation. And he observe the angle is equal to 30 degree from his eye to the top of the building. That is given. And angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree, and as he walks towards the building, the slope decreases. Observe it. When the slope decreases, the angle increases. And it is also given that from this point to this point, the angle increases from 30 to 60 degree. Now our task is to find the distance from this point to this point which he walked during his observation. Let the triangle be ABC. For our first reference, let it be the D. Also join it, the ground point, and denote it by the letters as you like. Now, from the observation point, for calculation, only AC will be referred as in the triangle. So we have to find this length also. The height of the building is AF, is equal to 30 meter, and it is AF is also equal to FC plus CA, or AC. When AF is equal to 30 meter, FC is also equal to EB, and EB is the height of the boy as he observed the angle from his eye, which is this point, and FC will also be equal to 1.5 plus CA, or CA 1.5 plus CA is equal to 30. CA equal to 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5 meter. Therefore, this from this point to this point, this height is this. Now, in triangle ABC, we can, our task is to find the distance BC. We have to find only BD, but directly this distance could not be drawn. We find BC, that is for angle 30, it is the base and it is the perpendicular, and the angle of observation for our reference is 30 degree. We can apply any of the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, as you like, as, and here tan 30 degree, I think will be the better ratio to draw some desirable results. Tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 as uh, uh, we have seen in the trigonometric table. Tan 30 degree are other ratios, but if we don't know about it, we also know about this, the ratio for 30 degree, from as we have seen in previous lessons, from an equilateral triangle, and this side is 2a 2a 2a. When we bisect it, here we see that this is over right angle, and this is a, and also we have find it this air root 3, this angle is 30 degree, 60 degree, and this is bisected angle 30 degree, a b c. Let 30 degree, angle of consideration is 30 degree. Let this angle be tan 30 degree. We know that tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. For tan 30 degree, AB is the perpendicular, which is A, and for 30 degree, BC is the base, A root 3. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. One upon root 3 is equal to tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular is 28.5, and base is on root 3. No, sorry, uh, base is base we have to find BC, and tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. By cross multiplication, BC equal to root 3 into 8.5. Therefore, BC equal to, this is the ratio for our reference. Now in triangle ADC, now we see in triangle ADC, tan 60 degree, for tan 60 degree, perpendicular upon base tan 60 degree. Perpendicular is for 60 degree. Perpendicular upon base, then the perpendicular for 60 degrees a root 3 and base AB is equal to root 3. Is equal to root 3 perpendicular upon base, and this under root 3 is equal to perpendicular is DC by cross multiplication DC root 3 28.5 DC equal to upon root 3, and this ratio can be rationalized and we can get upon 3. Now we see that we have to find BD only, neither DC nor BC. BC is the full distance, full length from B to the building, and DC is the distance from his final step to the building, and our task is to find the distance BD. BD is also equal to BC minus DC. Therefore, BD is equal to BC full length minus DC, and BC we have minus DC, and DC is upon 3. Now we see that upon 1, we see that this under root 3 and this under root 3 is common. Now minus, now it will be equal to therefore our answer will be this. The distance he traveled also under root 3 equal to also when we get it meter. Uh, this is our answer, and we can show here. That's all. Thanks for watching.